Hey everybody, Sam back once again, and yes, another video based on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Well, kind of. It's a case for it this time, and it's for the people over at Mujo. I want to say thank you to them for actually sending it in for today's video. And this is one of their new cases. Now, I didn't do the case last year. This is a new one. It's called the Shieldcase. And yes, it is full grain, vegetable tan leather on the back of it. It's MagSafe, so it's got MagSafe on the back, which is pretty cool as well. It's a fairly slim design to say it's a shield case. Now, what I mean by a shield case is it's got good protection. So in terms of dropping it, should be okay, but it's like anything. It could break, who knows. I always recommend a case and a screen protector. They're your best chances of actually surviving. So on the back of it, just kind of tells you there, it's got the impact core, which is a drop protection rated to 5 meters or 15 foot. I'm not 15 foot, so I should be okay. Yeah, cool. Anyway, let's open it up. Well, boom, how nice is that, eh? Now, one thing that Mujo do good is a nice presentation. So, sounds weird to say, but good quality boxes. You know, it's not your cheap, kind of like your cheap tat. It is a good quality box. Let's take the box off to the side. We'll keep that box. Let's bring in the actual case itself. And as you can see, this is the leather on the back of it here. But it is a nice protective case at the same time. So again, if you've seen my Mujo videos in the past, it's been just a full leather. So on the sides, kind of all the same, all the leather around it. This one, it's not. It's got like this protective stuff that you've got inside it there. You can see in the corners, it changes colour. And then down to that side as well, and on the sides. So that's what's doing the grunt work of this case. Nice kind of soft line in the middle of it. So when you put your phone in, it's not going to get all scratched up. It feels really nice. And one good thing is the buttons are floating buttons. So when your phone's in there, I'll show you. When your phone's in there, the buttons themselves is really, really soft and loved. They've got a nice little crisp, like, it feels really, really nice when you are pressing the button on it. Nice camera cut out there, and obviously the stuff at the bottom, but we'll put the phone in there and we'll show what it's like, shall we? So this is all going to kind of get nice patina, so over as it gets older and older, which who doesn't love leather for that? I know Apple got rid of it, but if you want a proper leather case, this one, or go check out their other ones. Again, links down below. So let's take the actual phone itself. Now, it has got a screen protector on there. So you guys can see it's got a screen protector on it. So the case itself is going to be screen protector friendly. So easiest way, pop it to the top, stick it in, push it up a little bit, push it down, job done. Make sure it's in all the corners, and there you go. Happy days. It's going to get a quick wipe down. Alright, so it's nice and clean now. So as you can see, I've not actually fully set up this phone up yet. So yeah, but in terms of the buttons, I just want to kind of show you. They're really, really easy to kind of press in and press out. These ones as well on this side with the action button. And then the volume up and down. I'm actually going to bring it closer to my microphone, and hopefully you can hear how crisp how it feels when you do put it in there. So if you can hear this, ready? Tell you what, I'll actually bring the microphone closer to you. So hopefully you could hear that. They feel lovely. Now, I've actually had my old iPhone in this one, because I got this about 2 weeks ago. So I was testing it in my other iPhone, my old iPhone, and it fit just about. I wouldn't recommend it. If you're going to get one for the 14, if they've got this for that one, I'd obviously buy the recommended one. But the reason why I know how nice the buttons are and everything like that, it just feels so crisp. And in terms of the ergonomics, as you can see there, it's got a nice kind of little dimple into that, so it goes under, like a little, goes in. So when you're holding it, it's got something to grip onto on the sides. But then it's kind of like nice flow over, and there's that beautiful leather again, huh? So just to show you really quickly, you've got your volume, you've got your power, you've got your little lance, what did you put there, like your little, like your wrist strap kind of thing. I bloody forgot what it was then, so that can go into there. At the bottom, you've got a nice ass cutout for the USB-C and the speakers, or the speaker and the microphone. And then you've got on this side, you've got the volume up and down, as you can see just about there, and then the action button. At the top, not at all. And the back, a beautiful cutout for that camera. Yeah? Absolutely lovely, isn't it? What do you reckon? I like this case. Really, really like this case. I've always liked Mujo. These, I've been getting them for a couple of years now. Last year's one was good. I wasn't a massive fan of the buttons. This year, these buttons are absolutely amazing. So yeah, definitely pick one up if you are looking for a protective but leather case, because you're getting the best of both worlds there. But if you like a full leather one, then there is a link down below. You can go check them out. Who knows, they might send me that one as well. But for now, got this one. It is the shield case from my friends over at Mujo. Anyway, do you have any questions? Because if you do, you know what to do by now. You can hit me up a comment down below. Please don't forget to smash the like button. Go on, hit the like and subscribe. Why? Because it's free. Honestly, just costs you a penny, a nickel or a dime. Anyway, once again, I want to say thanks for watching, and you'll see me. Well, you don't always see me. You see these puppies and you hear this voice in my next one. Cheers, everyone.